Hey, what's up, Theta Network holder? So it's a very bad news for all Theta Network holder. Must watch this video to understand better now. Otherwise, you completely and the lost, my brother. So let's get started this brand new video. But kindly, holder, you need to subscribe our YouTube channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. Thank you so much, everyone who subscribe our YouTube channel. First of all, my friend, I want to show you the Theta Network latest update of changes. My friend, you can see the last 7 days change occur 4.57%. The price is decreased now. It's a very bad news, and you can see, my friend, the last 24 hour minus 4.44%, and you can say last 1 hour 0.17%. So it's mean to Theta Network price is completely hour by hour, minute by minute decrease now, and there is a no jump, my brother. So it's a really bad news for all of you, but I will tell you, my brothers, to after this prediction you better understand, my brothers, to upcoming time there is a chances so they will wake up and they will give you a profit or not. So last 7 days chart is on the screen, and absolutely in the last 7 days this coin is very badly finished down. So therefore I make this video, my brothers, so you understand better now. This time, my brothers, especially after some time in the start of this week, they will take a very huge jump now, and all holders are going very happy and they are starting buying. But yeah, definitely, my friend, after a good jump they fails down like a rocket. So this is the main mistake, my friend. This especially short term investor, the short term investor, when they see this type jump, so exactly they're starting selling, and absolutely when they're starting selling, so the coin is gone down, the coin is fails down. So therefore I will notify you, holder, to if you hold it, so exactly the coin is moving upward more and more. So I just notify you, more. So hold it to the end of this month. I hope, my friend, at the end of month Theta Network will give you a very good profit. So let's see to what they do, but I just share my opinion. Remember, to this is not a financial video. The good time is coming soon now, so you hope you understand. Please hold it, don't sell it, and wait for a good time. I hope the Theta Network will give you a good profit. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz. See you next time. Please like and subscribe our YouTube channel.